Nikirikiriro kia andu mirongo iri makiria aria meneanire kuri borithi kiumia kihituku kiroko kia umuthi magikinyio igotini kuingurirwo thitango ni itemi riria manyitire ngukumio-ini ya NYS. Umwe kwa umwe mari na thoni nyingi makinyio mbere ya mucirithania Douglas Ogot, aingi ao mari na mahitia ma kunyitanira hari kungu.
We start guided, Your Honor, thank you.
Aingi ao mari na mahitia ma kunyitanira hari kungumia imanjika cia mamilioni ma mbeca kuri kambuni cia andu kiumbe hatari kindu na kimwe mendeirie NYS. Wellington Dubira na Michael Jambo aria ni arugamiriri a honge cia kigina notari wa mathabu kirumaniririo nio megukuire borithi o mundu akigwetwo ari mahitia akuhe mothe maria mari cira-ini uyu.
The charge is fraudulent acquisition of public property contrary to section 45 subsection 1A.
Ona kuri uguo aingi a maabitha aya aria muingi ukoretwo kienda kumamenya ni ngumo yao njeru marakuruhanio na mahitia ma kuma mwaka-ini wa 2015 na mwaka wa 2016 riria ruhonge rwa NYS rwari rungu rwa ministry ya ugai wa mahinya no ruti wa wira wa muingi. Aingi a Ekuirwo aya marakuruhanio na mahitia ma kwirorera mahitia makihanika kuhuthira wabici cia uru undu umwe na kunyitanira na aria angi ari gutabania uici wa makiria ma bilioni 9 ruhonge-ini ruru.
May 2018, Mr. Wandigi made an application to present accused 29 and 30 today.
Ihinda-ini o riu mucirithania Douglas Ogot ni athire borithi gwethana na arugamiriri ya kambuni ya Arkroad aria mataeneana kuri borithi na gwikinya igotini ta uria megutanyitwo.
Evidently something is amiss where counsel cannot explain clearly where his clients are. Now, the events concerning these accused speak for themselves. A warrant of arrest is issued against each and one of them. They shall be traced, arrested and arraigned in court to answer charges as soon as the police can.
Wakiri wa arugamiriri a kambuni ino wa Ndugikirathe ni atuthurire mitheko igotini akiana gitumi kia arugamiriri aya kwaga gwikinya igotini.
In full process, I would have undertaken to try maybe take them to CID headquarters, but checking the time we are already before you, I fear I may be forced to bring them here.
Mwerekera wa kiria giguthingata Ekuirwo aya ugatuithanio muthenya wa rucio thaa 8 ukirumira uria ungi wa Ekuirwo 23 a mbere. Arine Kameme TV njeta kama wa Mwangi.